I guess I'm just a play date to you.
I was watching Stranger Things.
What?
And ever since he started dating Elle.
What? Watching what?
Stranger Things. And ever since he started dating Elle, he pushed the other boy away and stuff like that because he got a girlfriend. He don't know how to act.
And what's this got to do with me?
I'm just saying.
I don't care. Care about no Stranger Things.
Okay, and they don't care about you.
You hear them sirens right there?
Mm-hmm.
You heard them?
Yeah.
They coming to get your ass.
No, they're not.
Why you got your feet all up in my
Why is you always looking at me?
Oh, God.
Dang.
You better shut up. Girl, get your hands out my head. I saw you scratching your ass a minute ago.
No, you be farting in your sleep, so don't try me. And then you want yeah, Strawberry Slim.
You shut up. You always talking.
I was watching Stranger Things.
You are a stranger thing. If you look in the mirror, you can't get no stranger than you.
Like if you had a friend.
Girl, you know what, Jessica? Can you just shut up and be quiet for 10 seconds?
Would you?
I don't need no damn friends. I don't need no friends.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Because you always bothering me and stuff. Like you need.
That's just something to do.
You need a man.
I need a what?
Essentially enriched body lotion with nourishing serum, deep.
Jessica, you need to stay out of my way today.
No.
I have none.
You scare me sometimes.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.